Arush, do you say the apple or the apple?
The apple. It depends on the sound. The is pronounced before vowel sounds. The is pronounced before consonant sounds.
How do you pronounce the umbrella or the umbrella?
The umbrella, because umbrella makes the sound, which is U sound. So that's why the umbrella.
Okay. The next word is university.
University. The university. Because university makes the Y sound.
Okay. The next word is honest person.
Honest person. The H is silent, so the honest person.
Very good. Thank you.